If you pay attention to the baking industry, it's no mystery. It's full of a bunch of people who are overwhelmed, overworked, underpaid, and quite frankly, just not really happy. And I don't want that for you. If you are going to sign up to do this really hard thing, like start and run a business, then I don't want you to have to think that it's gonna be this hard all the time. There's gonna be seasons of hard, there will be seasons of overwhelm, but those should be seasons, and then there should be seasons of rest. Let's normalize focusing on things that help us be the boss, things that will allow you to work on your business and not so much in your business, right? So that means less production, more brainstorming, more visioning, more thinking about what's ahead, more mapping out and planning what's happening in the months to come. And if we understand that that's really what a CEO or a boss or an entrepreneur does, then we can stop acting like small business owners and we can start acting more like the bosses that I know that we're all meant to be.